Welcome back, everyone. Today I am going to show you how to construct a square, and I'm going to use a circle to construct a square. Sometimes they might give you the circle and then you have to work from that, or you just have to start by constructing a circle first and then applying your knowledge to constructing a square to do the construction. So now what I'm going to do, place my pointer at the center, and I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, that's my circle. Next, I am going to form a diameter. Okay, we know that the diameter goes from one end of the circle to the other end. All right, through the center. We already know that the chord, there's a difference between a diameter and a chord. The chord does not go through the center. It goes from one end to another end. Now I'm going to label this A, but I'm not going to label this B. I'm going to label it C. And the reason is because after I form my square, your square should be reading ABC. So if I label it B, it's going to probably read A, C, B, D. And I don't want that. So that's the reason why I'm labeling my diameter AC and not AB. Okay, I will continue now. So next I will do a perpendicular bisector of segment AC. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video on doing a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay, it's posted on my channel. You need to be a little bit more than half the distance of AC. So obviously, if the radius is half of a diameter, then I need to go past the radius, and that's the reason why I'm going this far. Now you will swing an arc, or you can do a complete circle. It is up to you. Swing an arc or do a complete circle. Slide your pointer over to the other end point, which is C, and swing the arc, keeping the same measurement on the other side. And then you are going to place dots through the intersection of both. This is the method that we used to previously to bisect, do a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So I'm going to line up these two, actually three, because you have the center, and you are going to draw a line. Now you will notice that the line here touches the circumference of the circle in two places. I am going to label this lower one as B. This is C, and this upper part right here is D. Now I am going to connect A to B. So I'm connecting is A, endpoint A to B, and then I'm going to connect B to C. Okay, and I'm going to connect C to D. Okay, and D to A, or A to D. Now, one thing I must tell you, right, is that don't make the mistake and do the connection here where the two lines intersect, which is inside the circle. No, the connection has to be made on the edge of the circle. That's why it's very important, if you even stop here and here with your line, you must extend it so that it touches the circumference of the circle. Otherwise, you won't be able to form your triangle properly, and your triangle will come from here to here, and you don't want that happening. Okay, now we have completely constructed our square. So you have a square, A, B, C, D. It is a square. Okay, And that's how we complete the construction of a square using a circle and applying our knowledge of doing a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and share my video so others can gain knowledge on this content and other content that I have, so that you will be knowledgeable. Thank you, and see you soon.